AudioJungle.
Every prediction of Shireen Hussain was almost 100% right, and now the big one, the PSL final.
Hello Shireen. Today you must be very proud and happy because your team Peshawar Zalmi is right now in the final.
Hello Baba. Baba, before going to the final, I would like to thank my Pashtun brothers and sisters who supported Peshawar Zalmi in the difficult time in this PSL.
Okay, how will you compare Peshawar Zalmi and Islamabad United team for this particular final to be played at Karachi?
Baba, the final is not just a game, it's a battle of thrones. Zalmi is on fire. They delivered great punches in their last 4 matches. And I think if Kamran Akmal and Fletcher played at least 8 overs, then it will be a different story. Hafiz also need to deliver in the final, and Sami must start the bowling with Dawson to keep Ronki in pressure. And if Ronki is out in the early stage, then Zalmi will be on the driving seat.
Okay, so who is going to lift the show?
I think in big matches, the team who is going to bat first has more chances to win the match.
Okay, anything you want to share with your brother and sister who is always supporting Peshawar Zalmi in Pashto?
Yes, Baba, sure. Pukhtun Bamane and Zalmi Bagati.
Thank you, Shireen, for your short analysis, and we are recording the final interview for this PSL. And thank you guys for watching this video, and you always support this little